I was curious about a larger hoop for the Brother sewing machine. This is how this one arrives. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bubble wrap. Very solid. We've got the instructions here. We've got the magnets themselves. And there's plenty of them. Oh, it looks like you can stack them. There's the layout guide that the magnets are holding on to here. And you can imagine if this was your fabric, maybe a shirt or a jacket, then these magnets are going to come along and affix to the outside. It looks like there's a layer of felt there so that the magnets aren't going to scratch. You can lay down this guide, remove it, have your fabric down, and now use these magnets to go in there and hold that fabric in place. This is a reusable, strong, practical idea for your sewing machine hoops. Now these are made for multiple machines. We have the Brother, so it's set up to work with the Brother. You can work with this set or with this set. Pick it up and move it. So this longer hoop is going to work with the machine that really won't even know that it's working with the larger hoop. We'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Really impressed with it. Hope this helps.